Good morning and hello friends. Friends, it's a Sunday morning today, and as you all can see, I'm sitting in the cozy lap of Mother Nature. And with this word nature, friends, let me ask you one thing. Do you remember how many animals you've spotted this week? Have you gone to the zoo? And did you notice the animal called as giraffe? Yes, friends, I'm going to share something about the giraffe today on this beautiful morning. Friends, giraffe is an animal which is very tall, as we all know. And when the mother giraffe gives birth to the baby giraffe comes out of the womb and it falls from 8 feet above the ground. From 8 feet above the ground, it falls down with a bump, and it's very weak, unable to move, just a newborn. And just imagine the reaction of the mother giraffe. Yes, she lowers down her neck and she pampers her baby, caresses the baby. And friends, something extraordinary happens the next moment. The same mother giraffe, it lifts its leg and it kicks very hard the baby giraffe. And the baby giraffe is sent flying in the air, tumbling on the ground, it falls apart. The baby does not know, the same mother who gave me birth just a few moments back, what on this earth made her kick me? And the mother giraffe again moves, it goes to the baby, again kisses it, and then the next moment it again kicks very hard the baby giraffe. Again the baby giraffe is sent tumbling on the ground, flying up in the air. This time he tries to get up. On his shaky legs, he tries to get up. And as he tries, the mother giraffe comes again. And again she imparts a very hard kick on the baby giraffe. This continues. And finally, the baby giraffe rises on his own feet and rises strongly. This makes the mother giraffe feel delighted. She's very happy. Friends, the story is half complete, but an important lesson that we need to learn is that no matter how hard you fall, no matter from what heights you fall down, but you gotta get up. You gotta get up without wasting the time. And why does the mother giraffe do this? What is the reason behind a caring mother to be turned into a beast like this? This happens, friends, because the mother knows that the baby giraffe's flesh is very soft and very tasty to eat, and the lions and the hyenas, they just love it. And if the baby giraffe does not get up on its feet immediately, then when it is attacked by the lions and the hyenas, how will it run to save its life? How will it run to be in the pack along with its parents? So this is an important lesson that mother giraffe gives us. And friends, you should all remember that when fortune kicks you hard, when mother nature kicks you hard, you feel that your failures are bogging you down, you feel that your failures are making you go on the ground, then remember one thing: this is the kick of the mother nature. Every failure is the kick of mother nature, and a message is there that you have to get up. You gotta get up, and you have to fight. And friends, if you don't get up, you'll fall prey to the hyenas and the lions. You'll fall prey to all the predators, and you'll surely not succeed otherwise. So friends, an important lesson to learn from this nature, from the animal called giraffe, and hopefully you'll remember this story when you are down and out, when you feel that things are going against you, and just keep moving, keep going ahead. Your dream is waiting. Bye-bye.